Wealth management and insurance is one of the global businesses of the group. We do there three things. First, we take care of our private banking customers. Second, we manufacture the retail funds and the institutional funds that we cater for to our customers around the world. And third, we also take care of the insurance factories and of the insurance distribution, the products that we distribute in retail and commercial around the group. So 2023 for us has been a record year. We delivered a total contribution to profit of about 3.3 billion euro. That has been a growth of 21% versus last year, and an absolute record, as I say. And that was delivered through revenue growth mainly. We reached north of 5.8 billion euro in revenues. That's another 17% growth in the year on year. And we did that by staying very close to our customers. And the proof of that is the activity levels that you can see. In Santander Private Banking, we reached 300 billion customer assets and liabilities for the first time in Santander's history. In Santander Asset Management, also great activity. We grew our assets under management by 15% year on year, being one of the most growing asset managers around the world. And in insurance, we delivered 12% growth in gross written premium. To me, all of this is the proof of Santander working as a group. So the main sources of revenue and profit were all grounded and rooted on being very close to our customers. No? In Santander Private Banking, our main differentiator is that we are the leading private bank when it comes to Europe, the United States, and Latin America. So by working on those flows of clients is how we managed to grow. We grew our customers at 9% this year, and it was a big success in terms of activity. In Santander Asset Management, very similar. What we did was to understand what the customers wanted. In this case, in this year, it was really about fixed income products. We changed our product set, and by delivering those products, we managed to do 9 billion in net sales, which has been a record and which has been one of the highest growth asset managers around the world this year. And finally, in insurance, what we did was, again, this year the customers were asking for protection products and for savings products in the rates changes that we saw in the market. No? So we adapted our product offer. We focused on those particular products. We worked on products that the customers demand on themselves that are not really linked directly to any credit activity or something like that. And with that, we managed to grow our premium by 12%. And again, it was a very big success this year. So our strategy for 2024 and beyond is to continue becoming the best responsible wealth manager in Europe and the Americas. And for that, we are working alongside three pillars. The first pillar is customer experience, delivering then customer growth. No, there we are doing a big number of things. In private banking, we are going to keep on taking our model, our customer experience to different new geographies. As I said, we went to the Middle East. Now we want to do some other geographies. We're working on the domestic U.S. geography, and there are some others that we are considering. We are also creating a service, a digital service for the smaller part of our, or the lower segment of our private bank, where we want to create something that makes this segment of customer work digitally in a much easier way with our private bank. No? In Santander Asset Management, the improvement in the customer experience and to bring customer growth, we are focusing a lot on the alternatives and institutional business. No? That I mentioned, it's a priority for us, and we are creating more strategies and reaching more geographies to make this segment grow. No? And finally, in insurance, it is really about improving the proposition in some parts where we had a weaker one, like some verticals where we didn't have such a good set of products, no? And we are enhancing it a lot in motor, in health, in savings insurance. We are pushing a lot to create a better proposition there with new products and new projects. That would be on the customer experience side. If I go to the operational leverage, it is really about making sure that the technologies, the products, the processes that we have, we use them in all the geographies, no? And that we are doing a lot in investment management, making sure that the way we commercialize investments is industrialized and it's digital in all the countries, and in insurance, where we want to make sure that we not only have very good process to sell digitally insurance, but also to service the insurance. When something breaks in your house, that you are able to call for the handyman to fix it, etc., using your app. No? That would be on operational leverage on insurance. A very important point there in operational leverage also is to enhance the collaboration among our private banks, the collaboration with corporate banking, the collaboration with CIB, to make sure that we extract that network effect of Santander. No? And finally, in global platforms, we are working in three things: in enhancing our digital platform in private banking, in creating a digital investment platform, a global digital investment platform, to make sure that our funds are distributed digitally in all of our geographies, in all the countries. And the third one is also the global platform to distribute and to service insurance, that we are creating a global project also to be able to deliver it across all the countries in a consistent way. No?